Enfield Scott. So today we're going to the KBTC bus and we're gonna look at the excavator and jackhammer. And you know, in the morning, excavator went to this truck and then left. I mean, this KBTC, he just left. Remaining is the there are two excavators. Oh, there were two excavators. I didn't mean there was a jackhammer. I think the excavator left. I think jackhammer just took off his hammer and then switched to his bucket. And then he left. I don't know though. But the remaining is the excavator. There's only the excavator. There's the jackhammer over there. Let me show it to you. But this is the KPTC bus. We rode it before. This is the excavator. Alright, I'll see you in the next one. See you. Let's go. You're at the KPTC station. This is the bus that they're in there. And there's the excavator. You know, the jackhammer removed his hand and then changed to the bucket and then left. I think the door is open. Look, there's the excavator. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Oh my gosh, that's the excavator. Although that's the truck, and it's so huge. Let's show the bucket. Alright. Changing the ground tank to new. Changing the old tank to a new tank. But we're gonna go up there. But there is a bucket. Bucket room. What a big bucket. Why? Look! I'm just gonna... So, oh my gosh! My clothes, why? Look, this one. Oh my gosh, let's go down. Yalla. Put the old tank to a new tank.